The following segment is sponsored by Reston Hospital Center and StoneSprings Hospital Center. Robotic technology has enhanced every aspect of our lives, right? From our homes to our cars, but even our health. It makes things easier, better, and more efficient. Well, two local hospitals are at the forefront of this, and they have embraced the use of robotic technology to offer better surgical options for their patients.
Patients are savvy. They know what robotics does. They know what minimally invasive means.
Robotic and minimally invasive surgery are terms that are very familiar with patients at Reston Hospital Center and StoneSprings Hospital Center in Northern Virginia. These local hospitals are the home to several robotic surgical systems, making them one of the most advanced robotic surgery programs in the region.
I was trained in a time where everything was open, so everything that I was trained to do is completely different. So we made big incisions to do big operations. Now it's done through small little keyhole incisions.
Dr. Lailas is the director of the Center for Robotic and Minimally Invasive Surgery at Reston Hospital Center. He says robotic technology has not only revolutionized the way surgery is performed, but also the post-operative care of their patients.
They go home the next day. Their pain medication requirement is much less. They're up walking, they're driving within a couple of days. It's the same operation, but you're doing it in a way that you're not damaging all the tissue to get in to be able to see what you need to do.
This robotic-assisted technology allows the surgeons to operate using the tiniest incision and with greater vision, precision, and control.
StoneSprings Hospital was absolutely amazing.
Jessica was a recent patient at StoneSprings Hospital Center, and she shares her experience.
The procedure that I had here at StoneSprings Hospital was a robotic procedure. It was a lot faster, quicker, because I didn't even have to stay overnight in the hospital at all.
With this technology, the types of procedures performed robotically has increased, which means more patients are helped. Everything from general surgery to complex spine surgery, weight loss surgery, knee and hip replacement, and a variety of minimally invasive gynecologic, urologic, esophageal, colorectal, and thoracic procedures can be performed robotically.
What you're actually able to do is have high definition vision, which allows you to see what you're doing, and therefore if you know the anatomy and know the tissue planes, it makes all the difference in the world.
It's easier to do complex surgery with the robot than laparoscopic in my point of view, and a lot of people think that way. And it can also allow us to do more difficult cases we wouldn't even have attempted laparoscopically. Now we can do that on the robot, with the advantage then we can offer more minimally invasive surgery to our patients, which I think is a great thing.
Dr. Bernard Cross has been a general surgeon for over 30 years and is a big proponent of the robotic technology. In 2014, he was invited to be an epicenter surgeon. That designation is for a surgeon determined to be in the top 1% of robotic surgeons in the country. StoneSprings Hospital is just one of 40 epicenters in the world and is the only one of its kind in Northern Virginia.
So that's pretty gratifying for someone who's worked hard and put a lot of effort into this.
Reston Hospital Center has one of the widest arrays of robotic technology regionally and is one of only 9 visiting clinician programs in the United States where surgeons from around the world come to train on the latest robotic technology.
Between the two hospitals, we've done close to 7,000 cases. We have 64 surgeons that are qualified to be at either hospital. And so that's made a true commitment to the robotics program.
What that offers our community is surgery that is state-of-the-art with the latest equipment. I would consider us a small market institution. We have a small hospital, but like the Green Bay Packers, they're a small market, but they still have a good product. We do the same.
Isn't technology just amazing? Well, for more information, visit restonhospital.com and stonespringshospital.com.